Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The iPad Pro M5 2025 is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Apple is going all in with the M5 chip, a stunning OLED display, and AI-powered iPadOS 19 tools. If you think tablets can't replace laptops, think again. This is the iPad that changes everything. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let's dive deep into all the confirmed leaks, rumors, and game-changing features of the iPad Pro M5. That design leaks thinner than ever. Rumored to be the slimmest iPad ever, new brushed titanium frame, landscape front camera confirmed by iOS code leaks, magnetic redesign for Apple Pencil 3 support. Apple is refining the iPad's identity: slimmer, tougher, and smarter OLED display, the first iPad with tandem OLED, brighter, more efficient, stunning blacks. Sourced from Samsung and LG, rumored peak brightness 1600 nits. Promotion, True Tone, and HDR10+ support at OLED will make the M5 iPad look like a window into another world. M5 chip built on TSMC's 3nm 2nd Gen node, up to 35% faster than M4. Neural Engine AI processing, 45 TOPS. Ray tracing, AI inference, and AV1 decode support. Apple Pencil 3 haptic feedback support. New magnetically swappable tips, hover gestures, and AI stroke correction. Deeper Final Cut Pro integration. iPadOS 19 AI smart tools. Auto script writing, smart summaries, live dictation. Multitasking improvements. Desktop level app experience. Enhanced Stage Manager plus window snapping. Camera plus audio, 12MP ultra-wide front cam in landscape. Improved LiDAR performance. Quad speaker array, Dolby Atmos ready. Great for video calls, AR, and media. Accessories: Magic Keyboard with function row and aluminum hinge. Pencil 3 in sleek matte black. Potential third-party modular accessories. Gaming and APPS console quality gaming on iPad. Ray tracing and Metal FX scaling. Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro optimization. On-device AI for editing workflows. Price and release date: 11 iPad Pro M5. Starting at $1,199. 13 iPad Pro M5. Starting at $1,499. Release window: October 2025. Announcement likely at Apple's fall event. Should you upgrade? M4 users, hold off unless you need OLED or AI tools. M2, M1 users, major leap in performance and display. Laptop users, this might replace your Ultrabook. The iPad Pro M5 isn't just the future of tablets, it's the future of mobile computing. What are you most excited about? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest Apple leaks, reviews, and comparisons. Hit the bell so you never miss a major tech drop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.